Hey, QuickQuesters! Welcome back to the channel where we explore life's big questions in fun, bite-sized videos. Today's quest is a brain teaser. How does your brain remember things? Memory is one of the most fascinating functions of the human brain, and it's what makes you, well, you. Let's dive in. First, let's talk about memory. It's your brain's way of storing and retrieving information, like your personal mental filing system. But how does it actually work? It all comes down to 3 key steps: encoding, storage, and retrieval. Step 1 is encoding. This is when your brain takes in information from the world around you. Think of it like turning what you see, hear, or feel into a format your brain understands, like writing a note to file away later. Next is storage. Once the information is encoded, your brain keeps it in your memory banks. Some memories last for seconds or minutes, while others stick around for years. Finally, we have retrieval. This is when you pull that stored information back out to use it, like remembering your best friend's birthday or the lyrics to your favorite song. All of this happens because of neurons. Your brain is made up of billions of neurons, which are like tiny messengers that communicate with each other. When you learn something new, your neurons form connections, or synapses. The more you practice or think about something, the stronger those connections get. Did you know your brain has short-term and long-term memory? Short-term memory is like a scratch pad. It holds information for a few seconds or minutes, like remembering a phone number just long enough to write it down. Long-term memory, on the other hand, is where your brain stores the important stuff for days, months, or even years, like how to ride a bike or the name of your favorite teacher from primary school. But if our brain is so amazing, why do we forget things? Well, memories fade if the connections between neurons aren't used often enough. Kind of like how a path gets overgrown if no one walks on it. Stress, lack of sleep, or distractions can also make it harder for your brain to retrieve information. That's why sleep and focus are so important for learning. Here's a cool fun fact: smells are closely linked to memory. That's because the part of your brain that processes smells is connected to the area responsible for emotions and memories. Ever smelled something and been instantly reminded of a special moment? That's your brain in action. So, now you know how your brain remembers things. Through a complex dance of neurons, connections, and practice. Pretty amazing, right? If you enjoyed this quick quest, give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments what's a memory you'll never forget. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time for another quick quest. Until then, stay curious.